Here's the Kia Sorento. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and open up the driver's side door. Right over there at the bottom is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Kia emblem, right over there about that eye, put one finger in there with your right hand, pull it up, and then with your left hand just raise the hood. And it comes right up and stays in place, being supported by those two hood struts right over there. Now that's the main fuse panel. Let's get the cover off. Press two clips and pull the cover up and it comes right off. Now at the bottom right is the fuse puller. Let's get that fuse puller out. This is going to come handy throughout this entire process. If you look at the fuse diagram, there is a fuse called power outlet, 25 amps, 10, 15, 25, 10, 15, 25. The gray one. Yep, that's the one. That fuse controls this outlet, the right side one, and also the second row outlet. So very likely the problem is that you have a bad fuse, and if you do, then we'll just replace it with the 25 amp spare fuse and that should solve your problem. And my fuse is good. The moment I pull the fuse, the power is gone. How do I know mine is good? Look at the center part of the fuse. See, it's not broken. If it's broken, then it's a bad fuse. And if yours is the same, then we'll get the 25 amp spare fuse from over here. Just pull it out and let's just check that this one is good. Yeah, it looks good. Center part's not broken. Let's put it back in the original position, and when I do, the power should come right back on. In the car, that's the secondary fuse panel cover. Let's pull that. That's the panel. That's the fuse diagram. Focus on power outlet 2, 20 amps. That's the one that controls this driver side outlet and the one in the cargo area. One fuse for two outlets. Let's just pull that fuse and see what happens. Again, my fuse is good, so the moment I do that, power should be gone because my center part is not broken. If yours is broken, you know what to do. Get the 20 amp spare fuse and put it back in the original position. But before we do that, just check this one and make sure that this is good. And yeah, this one looks good. So the idea is just that, like, very likely the problem is caused by a bad fuse, and we have spare fuses, so let's just pull the fuse, check it, and replace it with a spare fuse. Once you're done, just put this cover back on, put this fuse puller back in its original place, align the cover, push it down to secure it, and that's pretty much it. To close the hood, simply lower it and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful.